If you're searching for the best Coursera certificates for beginners, check the description first because I've linked the current Coursera discount there if it's still available. Now, here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They choose certificates based on what's trending, instead of what's actually beginner-friendly. The best beginner certificate is the one you can complete and use, not the one with the most advanced curriculum. HasHone, Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. This is one of the best starting points because it teaches practical skills that are valuable across many industries. You don't need previous experience, and you'll learn spreadsheets, data analysis, SQL, and visualization step by step. H2, Google Digital Marketing and E-Commerce Professional Certificate. Perfect for students, freelancers, entrepreneurs, and aspiring marketers. It covers digital marketing, customer acquisition, email marketing, analytics, and e-commerce fundamentals. H3, Google IT Support Professional Certificate. If you're interested in technology but don't know where to start, this is one of the most beginner-friendly tech certificates available. H4, Google Project Management Professional Certificate. Project management skills are useful in almost every industry. This certificate is designed for beginners and focuses on organization, planning, communication, and leadership. H5, Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. Cybersecurity is growing rapidly, and this program helps beginners build foundational knowledge without requiring a technical background. H6, IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. A great next step for beginners who want to move into data science, AI, and machine learning. It's more technical than the Google programs, but still beginner accessible. What these certificates have in common is that they focus on job-relevant skills rather than academic theory. They're designed to help learners build practical knowledge that can strengthen resumes, LinkedIn profiles, internships, freelance work, and future job applications. So if you're searching for the best Coursera certificates for beginners, beginner Coursera certificates, job-ready certificates, Coursera career certificates, or easy Coursera certifications, here's the simplest recommendation. Start with data analytics, digital marketing, IT support, project management, or cybersecurity. Then move into AI and data science as your confidence grows. And if you enjoy finding verified coupon codes, software deals, online course discounts, and honest reviews before spending money, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we regularly share here.